Hey guys, this is Shawn. I'm over here at Credit Restoration Associates. I know you've probably heard of us, and if you haven't, shame on you. Just kidding. I'm glad to talk to you today about a great program that we have that's going to benefit you in the automotive industry. Primarily for the last 11 years, we've been focused on the mortgage industry. Shame on us, and I'm going to apologize because I am a car guy. I've sold cars for many years. I worked as a salesman all the way up to sales manager. We're looking forward to bringing our program to you. You're probably asking, well, how's this program going to benefit us? It's going to benefit you in a lot of ways. Primarily, you're going to get more approvals. I know for me, the worst thing was bringing a pencil to the tower and not being able to get a deal bought. We're going to help you get more approvals, less turn downs. It's not going to cost you a dime. We're going to actually pay you to be able to use our program. That's right, we're going to pay you. So it's not going to cost you anything. It's not going to add any money to your bottom line. And the great part about this program is you're going to have more approvals, as I said earlier. So I'm looking forward to speaking with you in the next few days. I'll reach out to you via phone or email. I'm looking forward to doing business with you. Have a great day.